Hello student, today I will be teaching you chapter 3 Animal Adaptation. So open all of you page number 6 of your GK book. See adaptation. Now what is adaptation? Adaptation means the action or process of adapting or being adapted, means to adjust itself in the environment is known as adaptation. Okay, in this chapter we will study about terrestrial animal, aquatic animal, amphibian, arboreal, aerial and reptiles. See, identify the groups with the help of the clue box given below. 1. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial. Okay, means those animals live on land are called terrestrial. Spelling TERRESTRIAL. Terrestrial animals live predominantly or entirely on land. Example, cats, ants, spiders, elephants, etc. See next. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. AQUATIC. An aquatic animal is an animal which lives in the water for most or all of its lifetime. They breathe air or extract means to take oxygen that dissolved in water through gills or directly through the skin. Example, fish, octopus, etc. See, number 3. Amphibian. Spelling is AMPHIBIAN. Amphibian are those animals that live both on land and in water. All amphibians begin their life in water with gills and tails. As they grow, they develop lungs and legs for their life on land. Example, frogs, toads, salamanders, etc. Salamanders means a lizard-like amphibian. See? Fourth one is a group of animals that live on trees. Animals that live on trees are called arboreal. Spelling is ARBOREAL. Arboreal are creatures who spend majority of their lives in trees. They eat, sleep and play in tree canopy. Example, monkeys, sloths, chameleon, etc. Canopy means the uppermost branches of a tree in forest. Okay. See. Number 5, a group of birds, animals that fly are known as aerial. Spelling will be Spelling is A-E-R-I-A-L. Aerial are those animals that can fly or glide naturally in the air. Example: birds, butterfly, vultures, etc. Glide means to move with smooth, continuous motion. Okay? See? 6 number. See this group? Animals that crawl are known as reptiles. Spelling is R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S. Okay? Reptiles are animals that are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded means they are not able to maintain constant body temperature. Okay? That is why they are known as cold-blooded. Most reptiles lay eggs and their skin is covered with hard, dry scales. Okay? As you can see. So, let's revise in short. The group of animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Okay. Next, a group of animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. And those animals live both on land and in water are known as amphibian. Animals that live on trees are known as arboreal. Animals that can fly are known as aerial. And last one, animals that crawl are known as reptiles. So, today's homework is to listen the video carefully and learn the names of these animal groups and their special characteristics. Thank you.